Meaning of hindsight.
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 Hindsight. Hindsight refers to the understanding or realization of something only after it has happened. It is the ability to look back on past events and see them in a new light, often with a greater awareness of their significance or consequences. This kind of insight is usually gained through experience or through hindsight bias, which can cause people to overestimate their ability to have predicted an event's outcome. Hindsight is a useful but limited tool for learning from the past, as it does not guarantee accurate predictions or prevent future mistakes.